Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Calendly to Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your site editor and now click on add and click on embed, and now select your embed site, and now go to your Calendly website, and here you will get all the events you created. I'm going to share these events to my Wix website, so I'm clicking on copy link and I'm clicking on enter website address, and make sure to select your website address and now paste the link here and click on apply. And here you can see the Calendly has been added to my site, and I'm making it a little bit larger. And this is how we can add Calendly to our Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.